This barbecue chicken pizza has 160 grams of protein and only about 15 carbs in the entire thing. It's keto friendly, gluten-free, and really delicious. Let me show you how to make it. For the crust, we're going to use 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 egg, 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and a little salt and pepper. Parmesan cheese is already pretty salty, so you don't need to add a lot of salt. Mix that together really well, and then we're going to transfer it to our lightly oiled pan. I'm using a 10-inch cast iron, but you can use any type of pizza pan or baking sheet that you have. Go ahead and spread it out kind of thin. For me, the 10-inch cast iron is the perfect size. And then we're going to bake that at 450 degrees for about 17 minutes. Once that's fully cooked, we're going to add our toppings. I think barbecue sauce and red onion is absolutely perfect because it fits the theme of this chicken crust really well. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce here, which comes out to about 12 carbs. Which, other than our onions, this is the only source of carbs in this recipe. I'm using 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and then adding on a few slices of red onions to bring it all together. Go ahead and broil this for about 5 minutes, or until your cheese is melted to your liking. Be sure to keep an eye on it. This is absolutely delicious and a perfect high-protein, low-carb alternative to a regular pizza. I highly recommend making this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.